Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: the Word app installed, a Microsoft account signed in, and storage permissions granted. Open the Word app, choose blank document or a template to begin. Once done, tap the header to name the file and enable autosave so your work is safe. If you have a keyboard or S Pen paired, make sure they're connected now. This gets you into an editable document fast and prevents losing changes as you proceed. You'll now build your document. Tap Text to type or press the on-screen keyboard. Use Home for font and paragraph controls. Once text exists, apply styles for consistent headings and faster navigation. To add media, go to Insert, choose Pictures or Table, and drag handles to resize. Make sure to use layout options for wrapping. If you need advanced edits, open the Draw tab to annotate with S Pen. Once organized, use View to enable read mode or Outline for structure reviewing. You finish by saving to OneDrive so version history and cross-device edits work seamlessly. Confirm autosave is on. To collaborate, tap Share, choose Send Link or Attach Copy, and set permissions so others can edit or view. Once complete, export as PDF from file if needed. If something goes wrong, like sync errors, first check Wi-Fi, then sign out and back into your Microsoft account, or open OneDrive and force a sync. That usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.